Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Pag sinabi kasi nating loving God is accepted mo yung pagsunod sa kanyang kalooban, all His will. Kaya dito mapatunayan natin na pag sinabing minahal ko ang Diyos, are you willing to submit yourself to the will of God? Are you willing to obey His will, to His command? Kaya napakahirap na maraming mga tao nagsasabi, mahal ko ang Diyos, but their life is empty sa kalooban ng Panginoon. Kaya ito'y usapang Kristiyano lang. Kaya hindi natin magawa yung tapusin ang Great Commission in our generation. Pag sinabi kasing Great Commission is you have part to finish discourse, meaning mayroon kang bahagi dapat nagagampanan kung hayaan mo lang na ang Diyos na sinasabi mong mahal mo ay paghariin mo. You follow Him, you submit to Him, meaning alamin mo, ano ba Lord ang pinapagawa mo sa akin today? The most important things na dapat gawin sa isang Kristiyano ay matuto sa kanyang kalooban. Pangalawa is to apply yung kalooban niya. Pangatlo is to empower others na maintindihan nila yung kalooban din ng Diyos, meaning sharing the gospel, follow up, discipleship, nurturing them in the manner of God. Kasi pag naghari ang Diyos at pinagharian ka ng Diyos, paghaharian din yung iba because you are walking according to the will of God. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.